What is up, guys? Modern Mods back again with an awesome CarXK LED light video. We're going to be installing the footwell lights, or you wouldn't call them footwell lights. They're more or less LED strips, but a lot of people use them for footwell lights, and you can really integrate them to any which way or shape you'd like. So I'm going to showcase the product. I'm going to show you how to install it. This is the simple USB design install, and I want some feedback by you guys, because a lot of the times, no matter what the install portion of the power is, I always splice and connect into my headlight. But today in the video, I'm just going to showcase the simple measures of just plugging in your USB. But I'm also going to show you like techniques of running and hiding your wire. I'm going to show you how to have a clean install with still showcasing the power. But I'd like to know if you guys would like a video in the future explaining how to do a power setup off of your headlights. So I thought I'd ask. If you guys want to, please comment down below. I'll absolutely take you step by step on the power only portion of creating an LED footwell lighting or any interior lighting being powered via your headlight fuse or any other fuse in that matter. I can show you how to do it off one, and doing it off one, therefore you can do it off any, if that makes sense. So just wanted to put that out there, and also use your Modern Mods discount code to get some deals on all of their amazing products, as well as get you some money off of this product right here. So without further ado, let's jump into the product. Let me show you what it looks like, show you what the power looks like, and let's get this thing installed. All right, guys, right here is in full view the product. We have, starting at the top, our 4 LED strips with 3M backing, 4 right there, which are all branched off with some long, decently long wires. Again, they designed this for the interior, so you're not going to get like 50-foot, long spools. You're going to get enough to kind of put your power box in a certain safe hidden spot, as well as reach around to the inside of your vehicle. I'll be doing this on the Vet today, so I won't be having any rear seats being displayed, but again, still the exact same concept, guys. Running down, you got the power box here. So as you can see on the power box, I got a cable coming off of it, which is my USB. So this is gonna be my USB power. Another thing to add, guys, this is the app controlled version. So no remote control. You scan this code with your phone or your QR scanner, whatever you need to do. You'll get an app. Then once there's power ran to the unit, you will then be able to select and go through and pick and choose. And as you can see there, just look through and see all the different options that the app has. I love app controlled lights because it's clean, it's sleek. You don't got random remotes laying around and don't know which one goes to which. It's just awesome. So that's a really nice thing, really nice feature. So pick that one up if you like that. But in a nutshell, that's the entire mod. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just show you real quick just the power, how that works, kind of explain the concept of this a little bit so you can understand exactly what you're doing, because mods like this branch you into a whole new world of mods. I mean, electric mods on cars are very, very challenging at times, and they can be very, very easy at times. This is a very easy mod, guys. All it takes is patience. It takes, organization and cleanliness to be organized and clean with all your wires. Put these things in certain spots. Just make your job look good, guys. Don't stick this up where people can see it. You want it to look super flush, super mint, super OEM. And well, that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and jump right in the car and let's get this going. Okay, guys, so I got my LEDs scattered out over here. And just to show you, here's my USB. And the only thing to make these things function, and if you have a radio or most cars have USB ports. You can use a cigarette charger with a USB port on it. But just push it right in. And like that, you're powered up. Make sure you scan your box before you hide your box so it, you can have control of your lighting and everything. But that's how simple that is. So again, I'm more of a guy who wires it up so when my headlights turn on, my LED lights will then turn on, and I can still control them and everything, but it's just like, so they're not running during the day, or I don't have to get on my app and turn them off, yada, yada. But for right now, again, in this video, I'm going to just showcase this power supply style, and we'll go from there if you guys want to. So now that you have tested your lights, know that they work, you're in good shape. What I like to do is you have to distinguish what you're going to do. You really got to get the plan inside your head on where you're going to space these lights out. So map something out. I'm going to map something out, and I'll be right back and kind of explain what I mean by that. Okay, guys. So from the box, you'll notice that the wires are split into two pairs. And one line is going to be longer than the other. So you can really use that to your advantage too. What I'm going to be doing, my plan is I'm going to have a footwell light up on the bottom, up underneath in there, up under my feet, same on the passenger. And I'm going to tuck another light up underneath my seat, shooting that way. So it's just really bright on both sides. Because really there's nothing else. I was contemplating doing my back end. I already got my third brake light put in here, and you know, I don't really need lights shining into my trunk, especially if I have something in there. So I'm looking at more of just that foot lighting display. I've already added lights into my grill fins and underneath my hood, same exact style lights. So I'm going to be doing the interior today, just the feet. So now that you got your plan mapped out, go ahead and get up in there and see where you can stick these on. I'm going to go in, I'm going to look, I'm going to stick it on, and I'll show you where I stuck mine on, and I'll show you why, and I'll explain it a little better. Okay, guys, just to update you here. So as you can see, I got my stuff kind of opened up a little bit. What I did was I tucked, so my radio came with a CarPlay USB connector and just a standard like charging port. So for right now, since I'm using the USB, I tucked that underneath, and I ran the wires. As you can see, there's a little one right here, and I ran the wires underneath this plastic panel here, and you can tuck them up real good in there. On any car, you're gonna have these points where you can tuck wires really well. I tucked up under here, and I'll just put the car on accessory, and as you can see, I got the line stuck in there. So from sitting view, you can't see it at all. From even passenger view, you can't see it. You can just see the lighting, and that's what you want. And with the other one, I just ran it up underneath, tucked my wires back underneath here, ran them through down here. Now, if you wanted to get real flashy, you could even slit a little of your carpet, drop it down, and then pull it through like a really small amount. But I'm not really feeling like doing that. I'm gonna keep this very, very beginner level stuff. So just tucking wires. And I just got it stationed right up under there, out of the way of the tracks. So you won't, you know, if somebody smaller gets in your car or has to move your seat up, you won't rip your lines out. You really want to make sure that anything you put in place and you tuck, you put back properly, and make sure all functionality is still proper as well. Because if your functionality isn't proper and you got your lights, that's not going to work, right? So as you can see, that's what I did with this side here. What I'm going to do on the other side is the exact same. I just ran my lines through under here, and as you can see, they're coming out right there. Now I'm gonna hide all the wires on these sides and on this side in the exact same way, and I'll get right back to you guys. And just like that, there it is. You got your footwell lights. I'll show you guys some little darker shots. I'll close up some windows, turn off some lights, but again, I went with the same concept. I didn't put everything back together. In my nice shots, you'll see everything back together. But I just tucked lines up. I literally take that line and I run my finger up there with it. Carefully, because sometimes these things can be sharp. Run my finger like that. Boom. And get it into a nice spot. Check. Look around. Make sure that that spot you have it in is a nice spot where you can't see it if you were to open the door and somebody from a distance can see in your car and it looks tacky. You know, keep it clean, make it look clean, guys. Same with this. I got it tucked up, staged underneath the seat like so, way in the back there, and like that, you can see your dirty floor mats even better. So let me go ahead and put this back together here, show you some clips of how they look, and I will be right back. have it. Just how simple is it to do that? Especially if you're just using the supplied power method they give you. LED footwell lights are super easy, and you can still make them look clean. Don't forget, always use my Moderate Mods discount code. Get you some money off on these products. Things are expensive out here, but you still got to make things look good, So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any ways or tips or things you need to hear, or if you feel I should have added. Just let me know. And again, don't forget, if you want to see a different way of powering that via fuses or things like that, I will absolutely show you that too. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, please, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Check out the other footage, guys. More and more universal mods coming to all vehicles, all types, all things. I try my best to really break down and explain these things as good as I can so you can truly understand, almost like you're sitting here with me, because the concept of it isn't hard, but when you see it in action and see it in a video, it's a little different, so I really try to make you feel like you're there. Please let me know if there's anything that I can do to make that easier for you. I hope you guys enjoy this experience. Please let me know what you think again. And until the next one, peace.